everybody, it's me, Marion, aka MissFootFixer. We have a lot of corn slash verruca here. You can see, if we zoom out, there's multiple. So we're going to take off the first layer and then we're just going to scoop them out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's such a treat today, isn't it, Saha? We love doing these. Let's do that one. So, and then you go to the podiatrist every 6 weeks to get this done, and it just grows back. Do you know how deep they go? Do they leave a hole? No. Okay. Huh.
Never been a hole.
That's interesting.
Huh. And that's what made me think they're not going far enough after watching you right now.
Yeah. So obviously there's a difference between surgical leaving a hole and just generally with a 15 blade leaving a hole. So even when you enucleate it, you can just leave a hole without doing the surgical procedure. If you never had this before, I'm going to use a scoop bit, I'm going to scoop it out. So it may feel a little bit uncomfortable and it may bleed, but you'll be fine, okay? I'll be gentle. So we're just going to go around these because actually she's never had them, sounds like she's never had them enucleated actually, which is surprising. So we're just going to go one at a time. Just scoop them out. And it doesn't hurt that much actually when you use the right tool, and it's quite relatively easy to do. That's one. We're just going further in. Are you okay? Yeah? Yeah, like I said, these things, sometimes they're not just corns, they can be verruca. You okay? You can play with your phone if you want to. It's gonna be I'm gonna be concentrating quite a bit because they're quite deep, these lesions. It'll be interesting to see how long this lasts for actually. I think it's so deep and it hasn't been enucleated, it's just coming off very easily. It's like this one's never ending. Just keeps on giving. That skin.
I feel like I've got a feet of craters.
Oh, it's great. You can see some pinker, healthier tissue now. Well done. Well done. Some normalish. that's a massive hole there. Okay. We'll do that for all. All done. Okay. All done. It's majority of it
Okay.
for that one. Look at that. All done. All done. Another. It's just because they've been so embedded for so long, it just leaves the indent. Once I take it out, it may be that the indent will go. Okay. Okay. The main thing is to not pull it out so quickly. Just gently using a tube blade to cut into it sideways, and that will just release some of that pressure. We'll get into it. We'll get into the roots of it. All done. All done. It's coming out very, very well. The base. So we're just going to take our time. All done. Just the root of it. So we just slowly and gently.